iBafana Bafana izobhekana nemidlalo emibili yokuhlungela umqhudelwano we-AFCON wango-2025. Okuqaphelekile kuleli qembu umenyezela kwegama lomgadlwa kuleli, uSimon van Duvenboden, abaningi kuleli abanalwazi ngalomgadli. Kanti umhleli wezemidlalo ku-Far-Post, uMthokozisi Dube, uthi uBruce ubonakala eletha uzinzo eqenjini lakhe.
uHugo Bruce ushilo eqala leBafana Bafana ukuthi ufuna ukubuild a squad esizoba consistent, azobakwazi ukuthi this is my starting 11, 18, whatever the case.
uDube uthi uVan Duvenboden kusamele azibonakalise eqenjini lesizwe njengoba neqembu lakhe iVitesse ligawulwe yizembe.
Errol Akbey uke wacoacha la eSouth Africa, is Dutch, is a Dutch coach. Ngambuza ngathi uyamazi uSimon odlala iVitesse, and he said yes uyamazi kakhulu. Ngathi iplayer iNetherlands ebikhangelela ukuthi bazomlandela babona iprogress yakhe ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Errol Akbey said something very important. He said no, uSimon still needs to prove himself. He still needs to prove. Team yakhe Vitesse was relegated. They're now playing good second divisions in Netherlands. So he still needs to prove himself, score goals, and show that he's capable of playing at this level.
Umdlalo weBafana Bafana neUganda uzoba kuleli mhla ziyishumi kwezokwethwasa, bese kuthi mhla ziyishumi